When working with dialogue replacement, sometimes conforming the timing with source audio isn't sufficient. We also need to conform the inflection and pitch curve of the replaced audio. Listen to this source dialogue, particularly the phrase "told you" at the end.
Oh, I should have told you. Oh, I should have told you.
We hear it's going up in pitch. Now here's the replaced dialogue.
Oh, I should have told you.
And it's got a different kind of inflection. It's descending in pitch. The timing also isn't tight. Here are the two together.
Oh, I should have told you.
So let's call up a new APT, and we're going to match the timing and also the pitch curve or transition of the words "told you." And we're going to output to this third track. I'll press New Process. The output file's now automatically been created. And now we can listen to the aligned track with the source audio.
Oh, I should have told you.
So it matches perfectly now. And to hear in isolation, here's the original dialogue that was replaced. Again, listen to "told you."
Oh, I should have told you.
And here we hear "told you" going up in pitch.
Oh, I should have told you.
And let's take a little bit of a closer look at what's going on with these APT settings. These parameters ensure the timing between the two is nice and tight. And setting the pitch to relative with a high transfer strength ensures it sounds natural. Here's an example where we need to modify the relative pitch, but not the timing. This VO was recorded originally to be the end of a sentence.
In a country where most are forbidden from working.
But it was decided to insert some dialogue after. The editor needed a different cadence and pitch contour at the end to sound like the sentence will continue, but the talent had already left, so the editor recorded a guide track himself with the inflection that he needed, and it sounds like this.
In a country where most are forbidden from working.
Where it sounds like the sentence is going to continue. Now, working with just the relative pitch while leaving the timing unaltered, this Revoice Pro APT was used to change the inflection at the end of the original VO phrase. So let's run it, and now we can hear the new version of the female VO with the proper inflection at the end.
In a country where most are forbidden from working.
Where it sounds like the sentence will continue versus this original.
In a country where most are forbidden from working.
This audio performance transfer preset is using dialogue mode in relative pitch. Timing is disabled. We have tolerance about a third of the way up, transfer strength a little over halfway, as well as offset. And with smooth jumps in pitch enabled, we get a nice natural transition.